Library of books.
Yes, a library of books. Okay, so you can write books.
Then,
Okay, done.
then
Done. Okay, so next. C, a pack of.
a pack of cards.
Yes, a pack of cards. Okay, are you done? Write cards. Okay, done. Okay, D.
A suit of clothes.
Yes, a suit of clothes. You can write clothes. Okay, next. E.
A fridge of
Huh? A fridge? A flat?
a flag
A
of
flat of
photo.
what? A flight of?
Uh,
Okay, it's
Step.
okay. If you don't know, we can skip first. Okay, we can skip to the F. Okay, a bill of.
A bill of bananas.
Okay. No, do you know what bill means?
Hmm.
Okay, so you can find the word first. Okay, cari dulu huruf B. Okay, lepas jumpa B, dah jumpa B. Okay, lepas jumpa huruf B, cari huruf A. Okay, dah jumpa A, B, A, cari huruf L. Okay, BALE. Jumpa tak bill? Okay, what's bill mean?
A birthday of literary pressing closes together.
Okay, maksudnya bill ni adalah bungkusan ataupun karung. Okay. Jadi kalau bananas tidaklah sesuai untuk kita letak dalam bungkusan yang macam tu kan. Kalau banana yang banyak macam ni, so a bill of apa yang sesuai? Which one is the answer for a bill? Sorry, tadi Rauhah ada cakap jawapan kan? Okay, apa jawapan dia? Can you repeat the answer again? Yes. Good. Correct. Okay, so a bill of cotton. Okay. So next, a bouquet of.
A bouquet of flowers.
Yes, flowers. Okay, so a bunch of.
Bunch of grapes.
Grapes kita dah guna dekat example A.
Oh, bananas.
Yes, banana. Okay. So, a step of. A step pula. A flight of. Alah, terbagi answer lah pula. A flight of.